All right, when you first go to turn on the home theater, you will see every now and then a notification that you have an update available. So to turn that on, you would press the home theater button, and then after the screen warms up, in whatever source that you were on, it'll say there's an update available. So at that point, if you're back on the screen that says home theater at the top, you can hit the navigation wheel. Right now we're going to actually show you how to do it if you didn't get to it before the notification went away. So you can press this menu button, and that's going to bring up the setup menu at the screen here, and you'll scroll down to general if you haven't already shown up right there, and then hit the select button on the iPad. And for the sake of focusing, we're going to just stay on the screen for now. So I'm going to scroll down by hitting the down arrow on the iPad to the bottom down here where it says firmware. I'm going to hit the select button, and then there's a first option there that says update. You can select for that, and then you can check for the update. So it'll connect to the server, and then in this case, which I checked a little earlier, it says it has the latest firmware is actually installed right now. And so at that point, there's nothing else you could do, but if it does show that you have a firmware available, it'll ask if you want to download it now and install it, and it will give you an estimate on how long it thinks it will take to do that. When that's finished, it'll take 10 to 30 minutes depending on the size of the firmware upload, and then shut the receiver off. After a couple of minutes, go ahead and turn it back on, and then you should be able to use it normally. But in this case, there's nothing available, so all you have to do is hit the menu button one more time on the iPad, and it'll take me back to the original screen that I was on, and then I can choose my source and proceed from there.